Hey guys, we're back again and live at 9:52, battling for Colby Edmondsons. Vader silver coins. Don't forget Queen Elizabeth there. 12 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to generate our battle and find our winner. There they are, 1 through 12. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got snake eyes. That's no good. We're going to roll again. We got a 7, which means we're golden. Good luck. Here we go. David, round 1. Scott, 2. Brandon, 3. And 4. Mr. Penland, round 5. Brandon Frederick in the top spot for our next to last round, meaning our winner is Dave Chrisman. And at number 7, congrats, Dave. Here's our verification code and official results. SPLRCR. Dave Chrisman. And at number 7 is the champion of Colby's Silver Vader coin battle. I'm done. 9:53 p.m. As seen, and, Again, here's the official results. David at number 7. See you guys. Thanks.